When managing multiple products and providers, even though the default payment provider can always be used, this might not be sufficient for your business. To give you more control over your operations, we've added a channel-level provider configurator. Let's learn how to configure a payment provider for a specific channel. Head to the Integrations tab inside the Payments section and click Configure Providers in the top right corner. Select whether you want to set the provider for live or test payments. Click the plus sign icon next to the payment provider to add alternatives. Select the payment methods you wish to include. You can verify it was selected if it has a check mark next to it. Now you can decide which payment processor is used per channel without changing your global default, giving you added control and cleaner billing with an intuitive configuration that automatically prevents errors. Route payments through the right provider based on pricing, ticket size, and how that channel is used, leading to a better customer experience and better checkouts. We hope you enjoy it.